Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you've watched a few of my videos or this is your first time here and you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any new videos. Also, if you find this video helpful, hitting the like button helps the algorithm and it supports my channel. So Vevor sent this heat press to me in exchange for an honest review. So if you're looking for a heat press that you can sublimate with, make t-shirts, keychains, magnets, puzzles, and so much more, then keep watching because I'm going to show you how to use this and everything about it. We're also going to make a few things and see how it turns out. So let's get started. First off, this was one of the easiest heat presses to put together. It was pretty much already assembled. All I had to do was screw in the timer interface, put the handle on, and plug it in. That was it. The product dimensions are 15.3 by 24 by 13.3 inches. The heat plate is 15 by 15. What I like about it is it also has the pull-out drawer design to ensure that you are staying safely away from the heating plate to prevent any type of burn. It also provides more ample space for placing and retrieving items, giving you a more convenient and comfortable experience. The power button is right here on the side, so I just push that down to turn it on. The next step is pressing the mode button, and you'll see SH. Here you can go ahead and use the plus or the minus button to set the temperature. So let's go ahead and do 355 on temp. So we're gonna hit mode again. And now we're on time, and we're gonna go ahead and leave this at 60 and press mode. We're just gonna wait for it to heat up. We are going to sublimate this keychain. So let me grab this out. Let's do the magnet. So these are the magnets. And remember, when you sublimate, everything has to be meant for sublimating. So these are sublimation magnets, same thing, sublimation keychains, and sublimation puzzles. So it has to be meant for that in order for it to sublimate. And usually, like when I get this, I like to write the temperature and the time and everything on here just so I remember at a glance. Purchase them on Amazon, it'll tell you what the manufacturer recommends for temperature and time. So I like to follow that, and so that's what I have written down. We need to clean the magnet and the keychain with alcohol before we use them to get rid of any debris that you may or may not see. And then also the puzzle, you don't have to do that. If you want, if you see any dirt or anything like that, you can just kind of wipe it off with a cloth because it has some sort of protective seal on here that helps with sublimating, and it's not necessary to go ahead and use alcohol. If you want to, I guess you can, but I'm not going to. So very important for the keychain, it has a little plastic film on here. So I'm just going to take my fingernail and pull this up. So very important to remove this before sublimating, and it has it on each side because this is actually double-sided. So we're just going to kind of peel it a little bit until I can get enough to pull. Okay, go ahead. We're going to take a little paper towel, and I'm going to clean both of these, and then we're just going to dry it really well, and then we're going to get ready to sublimate it. Okay, so just cleaning it, and make sure we dry it. And I'm just going to place it on a clean paper towel because, you know, my table may be dirty and pick something up after I just cleaned it. Same thing, magnet, dry really well. Go ahead, take the puzzle out as well. I'm going to use scissors, and I'm just going to carefully cut this out. It's just a lot easier just to cut it by hand than to put it on the Cricut machine to cut it. So let's start with the puzzle. We're going to grab the puzzle, and we're just going to line it up just like so. So we're just going to line it up just like that. And you're going to need heat resistant tape. And I love this kind because it's thick. And I love that it's thick. I feel like it, I don't know, it just works better. So we're going to go ahead and fold this over. You want this to be firmly pressed against the puzzle. Okay, and we're going to do this as well. Just fold it over. So and then same with the sides. So I'm just going to place that down. Okay, this looks perfect, just like so. And let's go ahead and do the other ones as well. So it's ready. So I'm going to take the magnet and I'm just going to place it down on here to try to center it and do the exact same thing. And I rather use more tape just so I know that it's firmly pressed against whatever you're going to be sublimating on. Folds down. Okay, so this one, perfect. Let me do one more spot right there. Perfect. Okay, so this one's ready. Last, we're going to do the keychain. And I'm just going to do one side today just to kind of see how, we're just basically seeing how the Vevor press is. So I haven't even looked at the temperature to see if they are similar. So this one's 356. Yeah, they are pretty much all similar. So about, well, the puzzles I have 338 to 348. The rest I have 338 to like 356. So I'm going to do 356 for, we're going to start with the sublimation magnet and a keychain and do the puzzle last. I am going to save this board to place underneath when I sublimate. So let's set that aside and let's get some parchment paper. We're going to turn the Vevor on and we're going to get sublimating. So I'm also going to use heat resistant gloves because this does get hot. So you just always want to take precaution and put those heat resistant gloves on. So I'm wrapping both in parchment paper. I was going to put them together, but no. All right. So we're going to go ahead and do this for 60 seconds and it will count down. So let's go ahead and push this down. And I'm also going to make sure that this is tight. Yes, it is. And it's already counting down. So we're going to go ahead and we're doing 60 seconds. You hear that? So we're going to go ahead and pull this up. And we're going to set this aside. And let's go ahead and do the puzzle too. So the puzzle says 347. So I'm going to quickly hit mode and it's set on temperature. I'm going to go down to 347. So this 47. Okay, perfect. And we're just going to wait for it to go down a few degrees. So while it is counting down, I'm taking parchment paper and I'm going to sublimate with that board that it comes with, a cardboard in the back. So I'm just going to go ahead, just so I have something firm under there. And then we'll put my heat resistant glove back on. And we're there. We're going to go ahead and let's just make sure it's centered. We're going to push this down. And it's already counting. And I don't have to adjust this. It's already adjusted. I absolutely love this color pink. I like it because it matches my channel. So, and that's completely normal. If you get a little bit of smoke, that is completely normal. It's from the sublimation ink. That's fine. Cool. Okay, and we're done. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off and we're gonna take this out and we're going to check and see how it looks. Let's do the magnet first. Drum roll, please. Ooh, that looks so cool, you guys. Really, really nice. You have to wait. And you can see it got all the ink as well, because you know how sometimes you can see there's like no ink. You can tell it took all the ink. So that's a good thing. That meant that I got a lot of pressure on here, which is exactly what I wanted. And it looks like it was evenly or distributed as well. So it's not like there's a certain area. Sweet, you guys. Isn't that so adorable? Look how cute that is. It did a really, really good job, I have to say. That's super cute. All right. So let's open the tiny, where did it go? Here it is. The keychain. Let's open it. Feel like it's Christmas and you're opening gifts. Let's see. I think it helps to, when you use a lot of sublimation tape as well, to keep it firmly pressed. Wow, that's so freaking cute. So cute. Ooh, sweet. So nice, you guys. I'm so impressed. And let's see. You have to wait. So let's see. So cute. Look at that. That looks amazing. So cute. So cute. So, wow, I'm really impressed. So I would definitely recommend this Vevor Heat Press machine. I think it did an awesome job, and this was actually my first time using it. So I absolutely recommend it. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below. I really like it. I love that you're able to adjust the pressure, and I know a lot of other heat presses have that knob, but I really felt like it made a difference adjusting the knob to give it more pressure, and you can tell here how nice it looks. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed my tutorial today, and as always, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any videos. Also, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up so I know you liked it. And I'll go ahead and see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.